Okay, good day to all YouTube viewers. So, currently, a new unit just came in. It was delivered here in the office, coming from Lazada. So, I just recently bought a light, a continuous light, that I'll be using for my workshop, probably. And the model is actually a Chinese model. I don't know if this is the brand name. It's YTSM-YZ. Model probably is on the orange sticker part with the name of YZ-888. So based on the manual, let me just get the manual for a bit. So here's the manual. It's written in Chinese. So it was advertised having a 300 watts power, and it runs with a 220 volts. Okay, and it came with a remote. So later I'll be showing how you'll be able to navigate through with the settings of the light. Then ang kasama rin niya ay yung power cable. It comes with a package. Likewise, it came with the lantern softbox. I don't know the exact measurement of this lantern. Then it also came with the light stand. Okay, quick overview about the body of the light. Okay, this light actually is made out of plastic, pure plastic. Okay, in any corners of this particular light, it is made out of plastic, even the mounting mechanism at the bottom part. So, well, the structure is plastic, so it made it much lighter. But again, it's quite cheap. Even the price, by the way, it's cheap. So, what do you expect from it, right? Now, it has a power button at the back. Let me just show you a quick rundown of the back, what you can see at the back. So, there's no digital screen. So, this is just made out of sticker. Also, the knob is made out of plastic. Then the power outlet. Okay, this again is plastic. Okay, and true enough, upon my first time of mounting this, nung sinubukan ko i-mount kanina, I had some difficulty, a little bit of difficulty, but not quite that much. So yan, may possibility na malaglag siya. Okay, so tighten it up, and true enough, probably at the latter run, so siguro sa katagalan din, there's a possibility na magkaroon ng breakage on this part of this knob. So syempre sa katagalan, wear and tear, pwede siyang mabasag. So just an opinion, no? Opinion based on experiences from different mounting mechanisms. Okay, so right now, ayan po, naglo-loose na siya. Okay, good. Going back to our review. Okay, let's try now and run the light. Let's move this light a little bit. Okay, so let's turn it on. Tingnan natin. Okay, probably this is the normal state of the light, yung kanyang normal na buga. Now, if I press this middle button, it will make the light much with a higher power. Okay, so it cranks up the power up. Okay, good to know. Now you can also reduce the power of the light, but again, with this particular remote, we're having some difficulties on adjusting the light's intensity. So just be patient with it. Probably you just need to hold it a bit more longer. There you go. It becomes dimmer. Okay. So if I press again the center, this particular button, it should return to the max power of the light, which is good. Okay. Other options. You can actually change the color of the light. There are 3 modes. That's the first mode. A mixture of the yellow LED and the white LED probably. Then you can turn it into yellow, which is still bright, and pure white. There you go. There you go. That's the white. Okay. Other settings. There's the CT and the C+. Let's try that out. What does it give, or what does it do? Nothing. It doesn't do anything. Now let's press the auxiliary. The good thing about the auxiliary is that you're given an option. Some special effects of the light. Okay, let's have a quick rundown of the light. So as you can see, the light becomes dimmer and then brighter and so forth. Let's try to move to the next setting. Again, I'm trying to press the button for a couple of times for the auxiliary. There you go. Okay. You can even change the color of the light while that effect is actually running. Let's check that out. Now it becomes yellow. Then it becomes with a mixture of the two. Then it becomes white. Okay. Let's put it back to its original state. And there you go. Okay, so let's brighten it up once again. Dim it to its dimmest setting, or even you can actually control it by cranking the power up a bit more. Again, some disclaimer, no? Some problems that may occur is having some issues on the remote. Ngayon, what if this remote gets lost? That's an issue because now you're left with just with the knob. Okay, well, you can still manually control the light, but again, that becomes much more, well, limited with its actual features. So that's a quick review of this particular model of this light that actually just came in. So also, if you'd like to know how does the light appears, because again this particular lantern is already mounted on the light. Just for you to see what's inside, I have the second unit. So that's actually what you see now in front of the continuous LED light. So that's the top view. It's in Chinese, or I don't know if it is in Japanese, but probably it's Chinese, made from China. Okay, then as I have said a while ago, this is made out of plastic. Okay. So, yun po ang quick review ng ating ilaw na nabili. So, hope you like what I just presented to you. So, to give you some quick rundown, if you'd like to purchase a light such as this particular model. The reason why I'm making this review is because upon checking YouTube, I've not seen any reviews yet about this particular unit. So just to give you an overview, para sa mga kapwa Pinoy na gustong bumili, ayan po ang inyong makukuhang unit at ang expectation regarding din sa unit. Again, plastic. It's made out of plastic. Thanks for watching.